Everyone, I'm going to show you some work that I worked on, and I'm going to show you all the free resources that I use to create new, fresh content, and I leveled up. In this example, at Home Base Income 101, the YouTube banner, I always found creating the right size YouTube banners was a challenge. Not anymore, and I'll show you in a moment. But that banner fits on desktops, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smart TVs. And this came out nice. I created this a few days ago. Free. I did this one today. It came out great. This is 100 times better than what I had before. So is this one. They're both clear. They say what the channel's all about. This one's Internet Education 101. It came out really cool. Came out great. I like it a lot. I used Snapper. If you've never heard of it, it's so basic and easy and simple. And I created these two banners free. I'm going to show you. This is the homepage, snapper.com/app. And you could browse around and see what they have available. But the focus here is YouTube banner because it's difficult. You click on it, and I'm going to click Create from Scratch. And what this is showing you here, it shows you what shows on TV area, what shows on the desktop area, and the center area of white shows what people see on a smartphone. Let me go to background. I'll go to background. I'll go to patterns. I'm just clicking this for this example. Do you see? It helps you create the right banners to fit all devices. Here. Oh, you know what? I think I saved them. Menu, saved graphics. So you can see what I mean. Let me open this up. Oh, what a perfect example. Did this one today. The center shows on smartphones. The center with the left and right side shows on desktops and laptops. Maybe even iPads too. Sometimes that works. But that helped me figure it out, that it looks beautiful on the screen. I'm on a desktop right now, but I already visited it on my smartphone. It looks great. And then it shows you what people will see on a smart television, because so many people browse the web on the smart TVs. So I just expanded the design. At least it's not just plain white, and it produced this. But I know this work will fit on all devices. I use Pixabay for free images. It works. I use Blogger.com. I created another page. I tweaked it. I learned how to use it better to create the color scheme, the headers, the font size, the spacing. I created some fresh content in the About Me section. I played around with the labels. I learned a lot. This is free. All free. Now this I pay for. This is myincomejob.com, but I created another blog post from this fresh content that I produced today for this blogger. I used Grammarly AI, and see I added this banner here. It never ends. You just keep expanding. Just keep expanding. And I gave it a twist, and in about 30 minutes I had a blog post. And that includes creating the banner. Oh, well, you know what? I'll say 45 minutes. Creating the banner, completing all the work that's needed on the back end to produce this. And not bad. And I also added a banner to the blog on the bottom. And there's ads showing. It just keeps getting better and better and better, and you get faster. And this is quality compared to what it was before. This came out really nice. This came out really nice. Go to snapper.com. They make it so easy and it's free. I'm sure they have an upgrade premium, but you could do a lot with free. Pixabay, blogger.com, it's all connected. So give a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And never give up. I'll see you in the next video clip.